Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the new SUNO app from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the SUNO app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are in your home page, tap the plus button or the create button to begin a new song. Now tap the option that says custom at the top. Now you will see a screen with a few boxes to fill in: title, lyrics, style. If you want Suno to write everything, just enter a short prompt like a happy pop song about summer, or if you have written your own song, paste them in the lyrics box. Space them here in the style box. Describe how you want the songs to sound. Once everything is ready, tap the create or generate button with a few seconds while Suno works its magic. Then press play to listen to your brand new song. And that's it. We have just made music using the new Suno app from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.